So you guys know I make cheat sheets every night. Well, instead, what I made today was a lineup optimizer. So basically what it does is what I did is I put all the information I typically pull from Basketball Monster. You guys have seen this chart before, right? But then what I did on top of that now, though, is over here, I added a little formula. Here's some part of the formula, and then here's another part of the formula, which explains that there's a salary cap of $60,000. I have 9 players that I need, being of which I need 2 point guards, 2 shooting guards, 2 small forwards, 2 power forwards, and 1 center. Now, as you can see, all this information is just a bunch of zeros. It means nothing to you guys, right? But if you look up here, there really is a formula behind all this nonsense, right? So go back here. If you notice, there's definitely a formula behind it all. Now, what it basically tells the Excel spreadsheet, though, with all this information and data over here, is it tells them, like I said, I need 9 players and such. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here now to Solver. I'm going to click on Solver. And I'm going to go over here to Solve. And it says, okay, it says it found a solution to my problem, basically. All constraints are satisfied. So I'm going to hit OK. Now, if you notice over here, these zeros turn to ones. Anywhere that there's a 1, that corresponds with the player they want you to have in your lineup. So now if you look over here, okay, it spit out 9 players for us. It actually spent $60,000 of our $60,000 salary cap. We have a projection of 287.9, and it gave me 2 point guards, it gave me 2 shooting guards, 2 small forwards, power forwards, and 1 center. So it worked. Now let's go back over here and see who it chose for us. If you go back up here and you see on point guard, there's a 1. Let's scroll over and see who that corresponds to, and you'll notice it's Rajon Rondo, it looks like. So that means Rondo, they want Rondo in our lineup. Now if you scroll back over here and you go to shooting guard, you'll see there's a 1 on shooting guard. Scroll over to see who that corresponds with, and it's James Harden. So James Harden should be in your lineup. Go back over here, go to small forward, and you see there's a 1 right here. Scroll over and see who's part of that, or who that 1 is attached to, and it's attached to Rudy Gay. Rudy Gay should be in your lineup. So you do that all the way down this list, and you pull all the 1s. For instance, here's another small forward. Let's scroll over and see who that's going to be. It's going to be Nikola Mirotic tonight. So when it's all said and done, though, if you pull all those 1s out, you'll have a list of names, and that'll be your list of your optimal lineup. That'll be the team that will be projected at 287 points tonight. Hope this will help you guys. Have a good night.